Mother of a gentleman, vibe of a simpleton, thief good enough to steal the cup out of Wimbledon. Well-mannered, sneaky and brave, although he's always out to get laid. This sucker got some pervy tendencies, a weakness exploited by his enemies. Arrogant, cocky, and vain, world's greatest thief and lives up to the name. Family business, a true legacy, that's how they always avoid peasantry. More than that, he's in it for the sport. Charismatic fellow, always holding court. Gives a warning just to enhance the hunt. Tricks up his sleeve, always pulling the stunt. One and done, not hitting the job twice. Handle his biz, then off to the next heist. Chased by Interpol, he runs like water. Lead on the case, inspectors, and he gotta. He wants him so bad he can taste it. It's his life mission, but it's wasted. Chase him around like Tom and Jerry. Same outcome, but the situations vary. Lupin ain't alone, he has a team that aids and colludes with his every scheme. Right-hand man, one shot, one kill. Jigen is a marksman with incredible skill. Goyamon has a deadly blade that's taking many foes straight to the grave. Then there's Fujiko, femme fatale. Her treachery only matched by her style. They after yours, it's as good as got. Turn any have into a have-not. Ain't said nothing but a word. When they get you, just know you been got by. Again, ain't said nothing but a word. But when they get you, you been got by.
Thanks for joining in. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It definitely helps us out a lot. Peace.